Petals, how your child grows, learns, and smiles daily. Every parent asks this one question: is my child in the right hands? At Petals Preschool and Daycare, our answer is simple: yes, because we designed every moment of their day with heart and science. This is not just a routine, it's a foundation for life. Why does a day at Petals look the way it does? From morning routines to goodbye time.
A day at Petals is very structured. We start from the morning. At the time of arrival, our teachers are available at the gate. They take the arrival by different ways of gestures which calm down our students, our children, and welcome inside the premises. After the arrival, they start with the circle time. Circle time, they learn Gita Sar, Gayatri Mantra, Petals Anthem. Gita Sar is just not a thing which they are learning. It's not a rote memorization. They are actually learning that what are actions and what are their consequences.
कौन तुम्हें मार सकता है? आत्मा ना तो पैदा होती है, जो हो रहा है वह भी अच्छा। भविष्य की चिंता मत करो, वर्तमान चल रहा है। तुम क्या लाए थे जो खो गया? तुमने क्या पैदा किया जिसका विनाश हो गया? परिवर्तन ही संसार का नियम है। अकट अकट गाटर, अकट गाटर।
We promote the smart time where they learn how they are smart, how they are different from others, how they are unique, and they are capable enough to do everything.
I am strong.
After completing of Gita Sar, Gayatri Mantra, which is a part of circle time, they start with the food break. Food break is very essential because every child is not came here with a prior meal taken at home. It may be a first meal for the child here in the school. So before starting any of the activities, they first finish up their fruits, and after that we start with the activities.
At Petals, every day follows a rhythm, not just for order, but for emotional security. From the moment a child walks in, there's familiarity, freedom, and joy in what they experience.
We not only work on the curriculum based on the alphabets, numbers, or any other thing, we promote the co-curricular activities also, which is taekwondo, zumba, skates, and theatre classes. Theatre classes really help the child to build up their speech. Taekwondo promotes their physical development. Here we believe in a structured curriculum, as first 1,000 days are very important for a child development. So we not only give them a learning related to the alphabets or numbers, we give them the experiential learning, for which we use the storytelling methods. We have sensory games, we have brainstorming games. These activities not only develop them the language development.
To a visitor, it might just look like play. But at Petals, every activity is a carefully chosen developmental tool, building motor skills, attention span, imagination, and confidence.
So our co-curricular activities are not only for a week or a month. It's a every week process where our students get indulged in all those activities.
Because learning is not just cognitive. Children thrive when they feel seen, heard, and understood. That's why emotional and social care is at the heart of Petals.
After completion of these activities, they move on to the meal part, and we provide a meal from here because we believe in the balanced diet a child should get. Because at home, being a mother, we are very conscious that my child should at least eat any of the things. So we give them different options. But here in school, they learn that they have to eat whatever they are getting here. Along with the peers, they learn that yes, after and before the meal, they should wash their hands, they should wear their apron, and finishing up the meal, they have to put their plates on a particular place. And these habits are very necessary to inculcate at the age of 2 years till 5 years learning.
If you had to describe what petals mean to a parent who has never been here, what would you say?
Petals is more than a school. Here we love our children like a family and nurture them as a learner. It's a place where curiosity is celebrated, emotions are honored, and growth is being a journey, not a race. For parents, it means peace of mind, knowing that your children is safe, happy, and building the foundational skills here.
A day at Petals may begin with a simple hello, but it's filled with 100 invisible steps that shape who a child becomes.